In this video, we will talk about how to set date and time in Windows 10. Method 1. Set time and date automatically. Right-click the clock on the right bottom corner. Click Adjust Date/Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically. And set the time zone manually from the drop-down. Method 2. Set time and date manually. Right-click the clock and choose Adjust Date/Time. Turn off Set Time Automatically. Click the Change button. Set the date and time, and click Change to apply the settings. Method 3. Sync time with Internet server. Right-click the clock and select Adjust Date/Time. Under Related Settings, click Add Clocks for different time zones. Click on Internet Time tab. Select Change Settings. You have to check Synchronize with an Internet Time server and click Update Now. As all set, click OK, and close it. So that's how you can set date and time in Windows 10. See you in the next video.